Ever pondered why ADHD, or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, affects some people and not others? No? Well, prepare to be intrigued. It's not as straightforward as it might seem, with factors such as neurotransmitter deficiencies and hormonal imbalances playing a significant role. Imagine the brain as a complex network of highways, with neurotransmitters acting as the vehicles that carry messages from one part of the brain to another. Dopamine and serotonin, two of these neurotransmitters, are critical for regulating mood and behavior. When there's a deficiency or imbalance in these neurotransmitters, it can lead to physical, emotional and behavioral issues which are hallmarks of ADHD. But neurotransmitter deficiencies and hormonal imbalances are just the tip of the iceberg. There's more to ADHD than meets the eye. Certain low-grade infections can also contribute to ADHD symptoms. Culprits like strep, bartonella, borrelia and babesia may be lurking undetected. There might even be an undiagnosed history of PANS, or pediatric acute-onset neuropsychiatric syndrome. Now, you might be wondering, how do these infections relate to ADHD? It's all about the microbiome, the community of microorganisms that live in our bodies. Major imbalances in the microbiome, a history of exposure to toxins, the use of antibiotics, and even possible inherited toxicities from the mother can all play a part in the development of ADHD. Sounds complicated, doesn't it? But here's where the plot takes an uplifting turn. Despite the complex nature of ADHD, there's a beacon of hope in the form of homeopathy. Homeopathy offers a promising solution for these hard-to-treat cases and can significantly improve the quality of life for not just children but adults too. Homeopathy targets the underlying infections and toxicities that contribute to ADHD. It doesn't just mask the symptoms, it gets to the root of the problem. And the effects aren't limited to the emotional dysregulation associated with ADHD. Physical symptoms that stem from these root problems can see improvement too. In summary, ADHD is not a standalone condition. It's a complex disorder with roots in neurotransmitter deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, and certain infections. But as complex as it may seem, homeopathy offers a holistic approach to treatment, addressing the root causes and providing relief from symptoms. Homeopathy can not only improve the quality of life for those living with ADHD, but also give them a chance to thrive.